This is a special edition video. I am coming to you guys. If you guys can see or hear, I am on vacation. And look at what we have here, you guys. Yes, of course, we have our passport. Because you guys know I'm literally going outside the country. But I wanted to come and share with you guys the bag that I packed, and I have not revealed to you guys. So I have already unpacked her, but I wanted to unpack her for you guys and share with you. I have been getting a lot of comments and questions on if I had kept my Kisslock bag, and if so, could I give an update on her as far as wear and tear. And so without further ado, I wanted to come and share with you guys. So to answer most of you guys' questions, yes, I have kept my Kisslock bag, and I had the Kisslock bag in the pink. I did keep her, but you guys, I have a new reveal, and I have used my pink Kisslock bag, and I still have her. But when they came out with the second release, I did go and get another one because I love the Kisslock bag so much. I wanted to get another bag. So I thought to myself, I'll get a different color. Also, I'm considering giving my daughter the pink one. She is in a sorority and she loves pink. She did not get to get the pink, so I'm considering giving her that one if we can't get her one when the new release comes again in fall. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you what I have, and then just talk to you guys on this bag and just kind of go over some pros and cons that I've been hearing and seeing. So let me go ahead and share with you without further ado. All right. So you guys, I decided to get this beautiful baby. Look at her, you guys. Yes, I decided to get the chocolate. She's not stuffed. As you can see, beautiful. She has her tags, as you can see. It has the Coach tag, and then we also have, the Kisslock frame bag additional tag here. So I did want to bring her on vacation. On the bottom, you have where it says genuine glove tan leather, as you can see close up, with the brass hardware, you guys. You guys have already seen truly the view of this bag, but I'll go over it quickly with you guys. Inside, just a gaping hole, you guys. She comes with a top handle strap, which I see a lot of people saying they don't carry. I carry mine, and I don't know if everybody is carrying theirs in a certain way, but I use this. She is a true workhorse. Inside, like I said, she's just a gaping hole. She has a zipper pocket inside, like so. Here is the original tag if anyone is interested when she decides to come out. Pretty pricey. Okay. Pocket is deep. Okay. And on the back, you have the gold loops here. And again, you guys have seen me review this bag. And again, like I said, I got it in the pink. I still have my pink. I don't know why people thought that I would get rid of her. But I did get her. Now, I do want to say that I don't use the pink as much because she is a pink, and it does not go with every single thing. So that's why I wanted to get this beautiful chocolate color. And the color, let me go over that with you guys. You need to read the tag so you guys can know. It's just dark brown. Dark brown. Okay? I call it chocolate because I'm a chocolate girl. So I did unravel her, and this is my first time carrying her on my trip, you guys. I wanted to see how well she would do. I know a lot of people want to carry her because she is so flexible, and a lot of people do the under the arms and this. I wanted to challenge this bag with it being flexible and big. I wanted to see the possibilities of what this bag could do. So on my vacation, you guys, I use this bag as my carry-on bag. So I brought my purse and I use this as my carry-on. And I'm going to show you everything that I put into this bag. And I'm going to give you how this bag worked for me. All right. So again, you guys have already seen this. You know this beautiful leather that it is. It's just glistening in that. Look at that, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I had in the bag as a carry-out. So first thing first, I have to have my passport, you guys. Where I'm going, I had to have my passport. Passport went in here. Okay. On top of that, I also included my cell phone, which I'm currently recording on. Did not pull out my camera. So passport. Okay. So let's go ahead and start stuffing her. I have my Coach makeup essential bag. I did not use that as this. I use this as my electronic bag. So this has my cords to my camera in here, my iPhone, my watch, just kind of like a knick-knack package, things that I knew that I would need that are essential for this trip. Okay. If you guys have seen this, this is the new piece that I've added. And again, this is smaller, so let's look at a comparison real quick. So we have the retail essential makeup bag, and then here is the retail bag. The outlet bag in electric. Again, you see the comparison, but again, it is similar to what I use this for. It's my medicine. So I have all my different medications in here that I would need for this trip. So this is what I use this for. That in there. Some Kleenex. If you know when you travel, you gotta have your essentials. I don't like to touch everything, so I made sure I had my wet wipes and my Clorox wipes, okay? So those went in. Next thing is my iPad. This is my iPad. So different ones wanted to know, can your iPad fit into this? Yes. This is my iPad in a case. So I'm going to go ahead and zip her up. I just want to show you everyone that what can fit in this bag, because I think people are underestimating this bag. Okay. So this goes in like so. I did not have a problem putting her in. I want you to see everything I've just gone over is already in there, you guys. I'm actually going to put my Kleenex in here. Okay. Next, this is a box of my essential jewelry. I don't like to put them on my suitcase. Depending on how much I paid for it, I like to carry it with me. So inside this box, I did put jewelry that is cost a little bit more money that I can afford not to lose. So I like to carry this with me. Okay. I have some for my tea. Okay. Sorry guys, you have my fan. Currently still reading this book. If you know, you know. One of our sisters on here did recommend this book, and it has been a good read. She's going in. And then also my charger. Okay. Making sure. So everything I need is in this bag. So this packs, as you can see, she's packed. Packed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close her like so. So as you can see, she's no longer flexible or all mushy. She's actually shaped. Okay. Going to turn her around. This is the front with the straps attached. I am definitely going to decorate my bag while I'm going out the country vacation. I don't feel where I'm going, so of course I decorated her. So I have my chain, of course. She's so beautiful. OMG. I'm going to go ahead I do not connect her on the second one. I come and bring her this chain around to this so it can give kind of like a flip, and I actually put it on incorrectly. You hear the water, you guys? Y'all hear that ocean? It sounds so beautiful. It's so relaxing, you guys. So relaxing and beautiful. All right, and because I'm on vacation, and of course I'm gonna miss my babies, my doggies, I do have another charm that is not Coach, but it is homage to my babies. This beautiful charm that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. As you can see, it's the little doggy, and it says, "Get your people to call my people," with a ball. And I thought this looked so cute with this chocolate because the dog is chocolate. So if you know, you know. Okay. And I connect that like so. And that's that. And then of course I did bring this along because of course I'm not gonna put my bag under the seat on the floor without it being protected. So before I get on the plane, she will be going back into the bag, and I will carry her like so. So when I have to slide her on the floor, that's what I did. So this needs to go inside my bag. In my pocket, I kept her. All right, so again, you guys, I did not limit myself on what I put in. I feel like a lot of people have been lightly carrying her because their concerns is about this portion being worn out and teared. I feel like Coach thought about that, or they considered that when they made this bag, and I wanted to test it out. So everything that I put in this bag is what I carried along the way. Also, as we went through the airport, sodas, my cell phone were added. So there were a couple of things that were added that I did not add in this bag, and I did not have any issue. Now, different ones will say, is the bag heavy? The bag is heavy when you put all this stuff in, but if you're putting it on your shoulder and you're carrying it, it was fine. It's just like me carrying a book bag is how I felt. So I did carry her on the plane all the way through. She did not sit anywhere in the suitcase or anything like that. I carried her as my carry-out, with including a bag, additional purse that I had carried that had my driver's license and everything else. So this was my carry-on when I traveled. And I traveled for 4 hours, so it was not like it was not carried, and I did not have any issues with the strap coming apart here or anything like that. I don't think that just because you pay a large amount of money that you cannot carry this, and you have to be careful. I wanted to see how this bag would do. I don't want to just not buy a bag and don't carry it and get the usage out of it. You buy your bags for usage. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stand up and show you with her on my shoulder. And yes, I have my travel outfit on, so excuse me. But here you go. And let me lift the camera up a little bit so you can get a full on view. Okay. Here is the bag on my shoulder. She comes down to my side. Let me bring it down so you guys can get a better look. Here is the bag. And this is how I carry my bag. If you feel like the bag is getting heavy, you can always take your hand and grip it and carry it like that when you feel heavy. But I did not experience that, you guys. So, again, you guys, this bag did what it needed to do while I was traveling. She is a beauty. And my pink one, yes, I still have her, and she has been doing the job. I don't think that the bag is made. Some people are like, well, I don't know how to carry the bag, how to style the bag. It's really how you choose to style the bag, how to carry the bag. Also, another thing I seen was if you put too much stuff, this is gonna pop open. I did not experience that. And again, all this was in here, you guys, and more, because I took a picture to show you that I had a couple of additional items. I did not experience this popping open. This stayed closed the entire time on my shoulder. So if you're having that experience, I don't know if that's a defect, but mine stayed closed. And again, like I said, you guys, I feel like it did the job. You guys let me know, did you think that I had sold my Kisslock? I've seen so many comments like, what could fit in there? Did you keep your Kisslock? I kept my Kisslock, and I bought another one. So, you know, I think that I don't know if I want the black one. I wanted the chocolate one. I feel like I'll use this more than the pink one because it goes with a lot of things that I carry and use. So let me know what your thoughts are. Do you feel like this was a good option? Tell me your feedback. Have you carried the bag with items in it, or have you been scared to carry the bag and not put a lot of items in it because you're scared of this? And I feel like Coach, if this wears and tears, Coach should own up to it with the wear and tear of their warranty. I personally feel like that they considered that. I didn't feel like it was stretched out. I didn't see any of that. So I think that this is a good bag, and I think that I think the way that it's made, how it folds in, and all that, they considered that. So you guys, tell me what you think. Have you reconsidered getting the bag? Is there something that's stopping you? Let me know, because again, this is my second one, and I find that I have no issues with it, and I haven't had any concern with this bag. So you guys, I will be coming back with you guys a little later. I am on vacation, but I wanted to come and share with you guys. I did not do a full unboxing. I did not get this bag shipped in a box and wrapped up. It came in this bag stuffed. I didn't get the gift wrap. I just got the regular. Only thing you guys didn't get was me taking off the tags and stuffing. Other than that, I wanted to come and share with you guys in a different setting, of course, and just show you this bag. It is truly a workhorse, and I will think I'll get my money's worth out of this. So